Kasi work mode tayo. 6 days. Work mga bebs. Kaya ito. Hindi lang tayo ulit nakapag-vlog. Wala na naman akong work 7 days. Starting today. So, yun. Ay, nako. Napakalamig yung ginawa ko mga bebs. Maginaw. Yung kung nasan yung meeting namin, hindi nakaandar. Visit. Hindi ginawa ko. Kaya ito, nakaganto ako. Pakalamig eh. Sobra lamig. Papa. Ano yan? The dark. Ayan. Nanood tayo ng ano. Continue watching 100. Ito, season 7 na pala ako. Malapit na tumatapos. Dali lang ha. Panoorin ko lang to. Tapusin ko lang to. Hi. Nasa ano kami kanina? Pumasok kami dyan. Crown Decorating Center. Yan, nagpunta kami dyan kanina. Tapos nagpunta kami ng Wix. Nag-ano kami, nagtitingin kami ng paint. Kung anong paint. At saka ngayon, titingin kami ng wallpaper para sa kitchen. Pakita ko sa inyo dito kung ano to ha. Iba-iba yung ano dito eh. You know, iba-iba yung shop. May you know, Screwfix. Open 7 days a week. 7 days. Rexel. You know. Crown Decorating Center. Akala namin may wallpaper dyan. Puro paint lang siya. Sa kwarto. Mahal, 22, 29. Oh, mahal.
Oh, that's not what you just said.
See, it's nice, babe.
It is, but it doesn't go with that.
Oh, let's change that then. Isn't it? Easy. It's nice. Look at that. I like it. Let's see. Well, that's nice for the kitchen, babe. But it needs to be like blue, dark blue, probably. That'd be nice. Maganda yun mga. Daldal ako ng daldal mga bebs. Yung pala, naka-photo lang pala yung ano ko. So, ayan. Simple lang yung ating ano. Hindi ako marunong talaga mag-makeup ng ponggacious. Okay na yan. Hindi ko alam kung itataas ko yung buhok ko o nakababa lang. Ayun na nga. Tonight, magkikita kami ng mga Corby girls. Yun, yung mga mga Filipino dito. Pero ano lang kami, 3 lang kami pala. Kala mo naman kadami. More than one is many na yun, 'di ba? But anyways, yun, magkikita-kita kami. Kain kami, tsaka food and drinks, yan. Pero hindi naman malakas uminom yung mga kasama ko. Tapos yung isa buntis pa. So, hayaan nyo na. So, konti lang. Yung chika-chika lang kami, ganyan lang. Para lang makalabas naman. Ganun. Kasi nga, sumama na rin ako kasi ang tagal ko nang hindi lumalabas mga bebs. Wala akong social life. Wala kaming social life ni David. Ganyan. So, si David, may social life yan pagka yung kungari summer time. At saka yung autumn siguro, mga ganyan. Yung pwede na siyang magmotor. Yun ang kanyang social life. Ako, kung may magyaya lang, yun lang may social life. Or ako yung magyayaya. Kaya lang yung aking BFF busy. Work siya. Kaya, ayun. Sabi niya sa akin, maglalaylo siya munang mag-work kasi nakapag naman na siya ng ILR niya. Tapos hindi, ganun pa rin. Luka-luka pa rin magtrabaho. Ayun. Ewan ko, basta. So, see you na lang later. Naglagay ako nag-cutics ako. Oh. Para hindi naman bare yung nails ko na kasi nakakahiya. Bare lang siya. Hayaan mo na ganyan na lang yan. Ganyan lang yan. Pwede na yan. Bongga na yan. 7:30 do kami magkikita-kita. Pub lang din yun. Weatherspoon pub lang din yun. So, yun. Pwede na yan. Maglilipi na lang ako. Tapos, yun na yun. Ito na yun. Si Epi rin, umalis din. Meron din siyang social life. Tonight. Yan. See you later. Tingnan ko kung makakapag-vlog ako kung nasaan ako, okay? See you. Yan. May na ako. Lipi. Ang OTD ko mga bebs. Short ito. Yung parang siya? Tangerine. Yan. Short yan siya. Tapos, magbuboots ako. Yung Doc Martens na boots. Tapos, ito yung aking coat. Aking Zara coat. Old black ang lola. Yan. Ganyan ako. Tapos, ito yung aking bag. Ayan. Ito kasi yung pinakamaliit na bag ko na. Ayokong maglagay ng ng masyadong malaking bag. Kaya, ayan na lang, ganyan na lang. Tapos may ganito ako para pang rin to sa lamig. Sa aking neck. Diba? Ayan, ganyan lang. Ang ating OOTD. Ayan, tapos naka-boots. May boots ako. Okay na yan. Sa loob lang naman kasi kami ng pub. Ewan kung lalayas kami after that. Kasi dikit-dikit naman dun eh. So, okay lang. But kung maglalakad-lakad kami somewhere, okay lang. Kasi, naman, what do you call this? Dikit-dikit naman dun yung inom, yung mga kainan, yung inuman, ganyan. Diba? Ayan. Ang OOTD ni Mama Brown. See you doon. Hey. Watch where you going.
I'm not doing it over there because the lake's over there.
Yeah.
There's a lot of lakes. I'll get off now.
Yeah.
There's the lake. There's like a hill
You don't
into
want
the
that.
lake.
Wait for Dada. Nasa kami, Foxton Locks. Yeah. Foxton Locks. Ang dami mga naglalakad kahit na maginaw sa Ella.
Pretty. Finally a day without rain.
What did you say?
Finally a day without rain. Nice and sunny. But still cold.
Yeah. Hang on. No, it's February, Ella.
I know.
That's the winter. That's the one bit that it goes
I like spring.
snow. Same.
Spring doesn't go snow.
No,
February does.
February. Yes.
Yeah.
January and February are winter time. November, winter time.
Yep. November.
November, December.
November to February.
Yeah. Is March also?
Nah, March
winter.
spring.
Spring na? Oh. Can't wait for spring.
I like spring and autumn.
Yeah. You know. Ang daming tao ay nakikita
Autumn's
niya.
warmer. I like autumn.
Yeah. Ang daming mga naglalakad.
Summer. I like summer. Summer's my favorite.
Dada? Dada doing?
What is he doing?
Come, go get him. Wala eh. I don't know. Ayan. Na-video ko na to ilang beses. Yeah, babe, go there and take a picture there. I'm gonna find those pictures. Pretty much sure I still have it here. May pictures din dalawa dyan parati. Naka-hold siya sa tada niya eh. Ano na nag-picture lang ako. Yeah. Nag-picture na naman sila dun sa spot na yan. Yan ang picture nilang dalawa. Ang dami nilang picture
I know,
dun.
we've gone here way more times than that.
Oh yeah. When you were a baby. We brought Lala here as well, if I'm not mistaken.
Why don't we have pictures of that?
I don't know. Like. Oh, puppy.
No, that's not proper.
Isn't it?
Just a heart.
Oh.
They left
You
why
remember now.
they tied it on here.
Mm.
Just leave it. It's crochet.
Crochet, yes. Do you do crochet at school?
No, you need to know how to like knit.
Yes. So you do it then, like train you how to do it.
India does crochet.
Yeah? Probably her mom knows how to. I know before, but I forgot.
She said no. She said she like taught herself.
Ah, okay. But she saw as well, doesn't she?
Yeah, she
Galing, ah.
made a cardigan.
She made a cardigan.
Yeah.
Oh,
She's
cool.
only been doing it for like
For who?
She's only been doing it for like a year.
Hmm? Tell her to do you one then.
She also does
Si
scrunchie.
Dada nagpapila. Kasi may picture ko wala.
Prince fell in the lake.
Oh yeah.
Dada! Do you remember when Prince fell in the lake?
Ella, picture. Ella.
Huh?
Ella.
Yes, he did. He did.
No.
No, remember?
Me, you, Epi.
Yeah,
Yes.
he fell into that.
Maano? Mataas yung araw. Masyado siyang ano.
No, it's not a river. It has to be way bigger than that to be a river.
Bright.
It has to be way bigger than that.
There's a river there, Nella.
Huh?
Doon na pwede ka mag-picnic. Ay, maputik. Bakit sa putik to dumaan? Putik. It's... I don't know why you went here because it's muddy. We should have gone that way. Are we allowed to do that?
No, I don't want to.
Ayaw niya.
There's no way I'm walking across that.
Okay, let's go to the bridge.
Why
Ayaw niya.
I don't think we're even allowed to walk across
Yeah, I
there.
don't know. I don't know either. Ayun yung bridge, oh. Kasi maputik, sabi na eh. Ma-realize niya may putik eh. Tignan mo yung kulokay. Gusto niya talaga. Ang lamig-lamig. Ella, malamig. Na. Ang lamig-lamig, gusto niya ng ice cream. Napakalamig. Gusto niya ice cream. Si tatay magsa-sausage rolls daw. Hindi ako. Kailangan ako. Yung tiyan ko kasi. Oh. Ako yung giniginaw kay Ella. Nagpapabili ng ng ice cream sa tatay niya. Ang ginaw-ginaw. Tapos ice cream. Ngayon nagkape si tatay. Kape. Sabi niya. Gusto mo hot chocolate. Ayoko nga. Yung tiyan ko. Gusto mo karambulan yung aking tiyan. Okay lang ako. Kumain ako kanina ng chicken wings eh. Nilutuan akong chicken wings ni tatay for lunch. Okay lang ako. Cold pa ba? Cold. No, okay.
Hot chocolate.
No, wait. Babali.
Can I try?
Milk. It's milky.
It's hot.
I already told you it's hot. It's a hot chocolate.
About my lips.
Have you got ice cream then too?
Hot chocolate.
About my lips. And tongue. It's so hot.
Of course it is hot.
Hot. Why is it hot?
Oh, may staple discover. Matali. Ano to? Sabi na natin. Ha? Display daw. Do not lean. Yun siya. Ha?
Look at the bridges.
Oh, ayan yung yata. Ayan oh. Oh, ito yung buong Foxton Locks. It's the whole, yeah.
But where's the Foxton Locks in? Foxton Locks in. Where does it say Foxton Locks in? Oh, I see it.
Ayan oh. Ayan yung mga ino-open. Ayan oh.
No, my toe's burnt.
Just,
No, it's burnt.
parang bar.
Nice. Very nice sausage roll.
Is it hot? Napaso eh. Ang bunganga niya. Oh, may boat doon. Lakad-lakad ang mga utaw. Grabe, ang bright. Too bright. Ayan siya. Ako yung giniginaw sa kanya. Malamig, Ella. Ayan, ang galing ah. Diba?
Eating an ice pop.
Ha?
I'm eating an ice pop.
Lakad-lakad tayo. Linggo nga pala ngayon. Happy Sunday. Ngayon lang ulit si Ella na nakapag-free. Wala siyang break siya ng Watts ngayon kasi katatapos lang yung show nila. Diba? So, break siya. Hindi ko alam kung kailan siyang balik nila. Pero yung susunod na show doon nasa July yata. Ay, naku po. Yun. So, ito tayo. Lakad-lakad tayo sa Ella. Hi! Lakad tayo. They're cooking there, look.
What?
No, that's fine.
Oh.
keep them all.
Ayan o. Nagpapa-fire daw kasi nga malamig, sabi ni tatay. Fire lang yan. Ayan o. Galing. May ganyan yung kaibigan ko eh. Isa sa vlog ko.
Do you have to pay to keep your boats here?
Yeah. Sa parking, isn't it? They're parking.
The exact same as car parking.
Yeah.
Hazel.
Oh, ayun o. Francis Hazel. I'm Hazel, but not Frances Hazel.
No, not Francis.
No,
Not Francis.
no. Ayan o. Nagpapa-fire daw kasi nga malamig, sabi ni tatay. Fire lang yan. Ayan o. Galing. May ganyan yung kaibigan ko eh. Isa sa vlog ko.
Do you have to pay to keep your boats here?
Yeah. Sa parking, isn't it? They're parking.
The exact same as car parking.
Yeah.
Hazel.
Oh, ayun o. Francis Hazel. I'm Hazel, but not Frances Hazel.
No, not Francis.
No,
Not Francis.
no. Yan yung inanahan niya, pinasukan niya.
I can see everything from here.
Yes, you can.
Up there.
Oh, yun yung kanal, oh.
I can see a cargo pass.
Ayun yung kanal. Kita niyo ba?
See the car park.
Ayan, oh. Oh, ayan yung kanal.
See some sheep over there
Yeah.
in that field. See some sheep over there
Oh.
too. Or they're
Ayan yung
birds. They
kanal.
are the sheep or birds. So small. Mosquitoes. Get
Oh,
away
let's
from
go.
my ice cream.
Oh, let's go na.
Rolling off the edge.
The flies were trying to steal my ice cream.
Oh, kita niyo to, oh. George. George. Stay there. Look at me. Hello. Okay. Galing ng boat to. Oh, tignan mo yan. Oh. Very, very old. I wonder how old that is. Hindi pa tayo.
I don't like these kinds of stairs. Floating stairs. I call them floating stairs. It's like they're floating. I don't like them because like my feet will fall through them. Not the ones with the holes inside, but like with these gaps in instead of a line being. I don't like them.
Bakit merong Christmas stuff dito? February na. Ayan, oh.
Come here. Come here.
Oh. Festive, oh. Mm.
It's just
Oh
a
my
mirror.
gosh.
It's a mirror
Ang
inside.
galing, oh. Ang weird.
There's
Enough pa
lights on
naman.
the side. There's just one light.
Okay.
Look.
Oh, may Christmas stuff dito. Bakit ganun? Eh, Ella, there's another one here.
Santa.
Bakit may Christmas
It's
stuff
never
dito?
ending. This one looks like
Tawa.
a tunnel, like you would go through a car.
Hmm?
Can you check my glasses? They keep falling. Thank you.
Ano, may mga Christmas stuff sila. Bakit ganun? Tapos na Christmas, di ba? February na eh. Oh. Ayan oh.